Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to stop Google Photos from backing up your WhatsApp Images folder. First, launch the Google Photos app on your device. Tap directly on your profile picture or initials icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the overlay menu that appears, tap on the Configuration row option labeled Photos Settings. At the very top of the Settings panel list, tap directly on the option labeled Backup. Inside the Backup dashboard menu, scroll down and tap on the option explicitly labeled Backup Device Folders. Look through the list of local device folders until you locate the folder labeled WhatsApp Images. Tap on the toggle switch right next to WhatsApp Images to slide it completely off. The system framework will instantly apply the rule, freezing all automatic cloud synchronization for that specific folder while keeping your native camera roll backups perfectly active. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.